Nowadays, I'm fortunate enough that review units get sent to me every now and then, but sometimes I have to purchase some of the items I feature on this channel from my own pocket. And I'm always searching for the best products to review, and there's a tool that makes that search much easier and helps with finding better prices online, but does so much more than just that. Introducing Lustre, one of my favorite ways of shopping online. Let's begin. And so, what is Lustre anyway? Well, Lustre is a browser extension that does the extensive product research for you to recommend the best products for your budget. And that's just going to be right where you shop, like in places such as Amazon and around Google. And it even finds the lowest price available so that you can get the best deal possible. It's a tool that not only helps you buy the best products, but also shows you when a product is on sale, and this tool just makes it so much easier to shop online. And so, how does it work? Well, Lustre analyzes expert ratings and comparisons and YouTube reviews like mine, Reddit discussions like you would do, except that their AI is able to analyze 51 million plus reviews almost instantly. And they also have human moderation to give you the most accurate recommendations based on what you're shopping for. And again, it is a browser extension, so it is always with you, right where you shop, right when you need them, like Amazon or Google, for example. And it always checks for how recent any given reviews are, hence checking for their credibility. And it also does its best to find relevant YouTube videos regarding which product you're looking for, so that you don't have to search for any reviews by yourself. And it even shows you the price history, so if anything went on sale before, or if it went up in price recently, for example, it will show you that. It's especially useful when comparing prices between competing retailers. And the installation is super simple. I will leave a link below so that you can also add it to your browser and check it out. And besides the super easy installation, I love the fact that Lustre shows you what the best current prices are for any given product, because it makes it easy for me to save a few bucks when I'm buying any kind of review units for the channel. And I also love how easy it is to use in general, and it actually loads up whenever you search for anything immediately, and just providing you with any kind of suggestions and pricing history. And my favorite feature have got to be these little fire icons, and it basically means that the product is on sale, and it also gives you a very general consensus on what most people believe on that product with essentially just one word. How useful can that actually be? I love it because it doesn't show me every product on earth that's on sale, but only one's actually worth buying. However, there are some things that could improve about this service. For example, since the platform is still very young, it doesn't have data on every single product out there, and sometimes that includes popular items. Also, there are some categories that I wish it did a better job at providing information about and reviews for, such as remappable buttons, like the Stream Deck for instance, which is a product that I use all of the time, and it would have been really useful to find any sales on that product because it is pretty tough to actually find. And products of the like, and things that are definitely more niche, but hopefully will be added in due time. I'm happy to talk about the service today because they offer quite a lot of value, and it's all for free. I get constant recommendations and reviews to help you make a more informed purchasing decision. And my favorite part is that it does all of the price hunting for me, which saves me a lot of time when I'm looking for new tech to actually review. So highly recommended for you. And you're going to find download links to Lustre in the description, where you can check it out for yourself. I definitely encourage it since we all want to save money, and having a platform that pretty much does all of the hunting for you makes for a super compelling proposition. And now it is worth noting that I do get a small commission if you end up using my link, so if you were to do so, I would appreciate that quite a bit. And with that said, this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you so much for watching, and I would like to wish you all a wonderful day. Enjoy.